Okay, today it's 24 of June 2025, like 2:32. We are on the house of Albert Louis, and the address is 24869 Myers Glen Place in Chantilly, Virginia. Zip code is 20152, and the claim number is 4685 G St. George 304J, and we are here to do the repair and to try if it's possible to do the repair on this shingle. The first thing we're gonna do is remove on the seal of the shingle, and you see we're gonna try to remove the sealing of the shingle. That's the first thing we're gonna do, and then after that we're gonna do the removal of the nail. We're gonna try to do it as quick as you know. Okay. Always we try to not damage the shingle. That's the first thing we try to do, to not damage the shingle. That's how we remove the shingle.
Oh, ese shingle más grande.
This is the new shingle we got. This is the old one. Okay. This is the one. And if we see it, this shingle it's bigger than the new one. And this shingle it's out of stock. If I'm gonna try to use this shingle, it's gonna be small and it's not gonna work on this case, okay? But the thing is, it's not that. I'm trying, and I'll show you to you guys, in case if you have this shingle, but on this time it's not gonna work. In case, like if you say that's the same shingle, then we're gonna use this one. The point is on this one is if you see, I hammer it, and if you see, I'm start seeing the creases on this shingle right here. I'm starting to see a creases on this one. Start losing the granules, and the mat is starting, exposing to the UV. If you are seeing it right here, start losing granules, and the mat is exposed to that. To the UV, you see, and on this shingle, and on this one, and it's impossible to do the repair on the old shingle, even if I'm careful and not lifting the shingle up more than 3 inches. Like be careful and using the tools, proper tools to do the repair. And if you're seeing it right here, this is the old shingle, and this shingle is smaller than the other one, and I'm gonna try to nail it.
Measurement.
I'm gonna try to measure that.
Measurement, bolt.
I'm gonna try to measure that, and if you see the new shingle like that, the old one it's 39 and half inch by 13 inches in a quarter, and the new one is 36 inches by 12 inches. It's a small, and but it's not the only one point. The other point is it's because when I manipulate this shingle, old shingle, the granules start losing on this one. Start losing on this one, start losing and start losing. It's impossible to do a repair on this shingle. You see the granules coming off on this shingle. it's impossible to do a repair on the old shingle. My suggestion on this one is a full roof replacement. And also, if I did a simulation on the repair on this roof. Imagine if I do a repair on all of this, we're gonna damage all of those shingles right here. We're gonna damage all of those shingles due to the IRC. I gotta use ice and water shield on the valley. I have a shingle right here, creases, and that one tied into the valley, and I need to remove the shingle on the valley and use 18 inches on one side and 18 inches. The ice and water shield comes on a 36 inches, and I gotta remove all of that. As a professional roofer, my suggestion on this one is a full roof replacement. And it's not only that, like on this case, this one, I have to remove the ridge cap and the ridge band to do the repair on this one. The roof is really old, the shingle is really old, and it's impossible to do the repair. I will be more than happy to do the repair, but on this time, this roof is impossible to do the repair. As a professional, my suggestion on this roof is a full roof replacement. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Thanks. If you see right here too, and also it's not only that, how about to do the overlap on the hips. You see, have a roof damage. The shingle is old everywhere. It's really old, the shingle. It's impossible to do a repair on this shingle. If you're seeing it, thank you.